How to set up Google Analytics on your Shopify store. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily set up Google Analytics and connect it with your Shopify store. The first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and go to Google Analytics, and once you've created your account and entered all of the setup, on the very last option you're going to have an option to set up your stream. Go ahead and tap on Go to Stream Setup. And then from here, you just have to wait for a bit to everything to load. Now you're going to have to start collecting your data. So what you need to do is go to the admin tab. From here, you're going to have to go back and then click on web. Now you need a URL for your website. So what you're going to have to do is go to your Shopify store and copy your store's URL. So just go ahead and go to your store and then copy the URL for your store. So let me just go back to my store, click on it, select it. Now from here, you're going to have to go to your Shopify store's domain and click on this to copy your existing domain. So click right here and it's going to show you your existing domain. So go ahead and copy it. So let's just go ahead and select our domain. Now go ahead and copy this, and you're going to have to delete everything from the HTTPS. Paste the URL right here, delete everything along with the slash, and then remove the password part as well. Now it's just give your stream name for the website. So let's just name it Shopify. Then click on create and continue. Now, once your stream has been added, once you have done that, you can just go ahead and click on this to confirm that your stream has been set up. Next step is to go back to your Shopify store and then go ahead and simply click on the settings menu. Once you land on the settings page, you're going to have to go to apps and sales channel, click on it, and then click on Shopify App Store. Here, you're just going to have to search for Google and click on this Google and YouTube tab and click on install. Wait for a bit and it's going to install the application connecting your Shopify store to other Google products. Now click on install again to confirm. And once you have installed your Google and YouTube app, it's going to show you an option to connect Google account. Tap on it. Now select your account to continue. Click on continue again. And you can just select all and then tap on continue. Wait for a bit. And after doing this, you will be asked to just connect to your Google Analytics. So click on the option to understand Google Analytics. Check this box. Now, once your online store has been set up, just click on Get Started here to set up the ad conversions measurement. Once you have connected your store here, it's going to verify your account details. So check the requirement. Go ahead and click on Add a valid payment method, create an online store, and all of these good stuff. Then finally, you can understand traffic with Google Analytics. Now click on this arrow right here to get started with the Google Analytics 4 for your store. And then you're going to have to connect your analytics property. So click on connect. Select your store, click on connect. And if you want to turn on emails, you could do that. Click on confirm and then click on complete setup. Now from here, you have successfully connected to Google Analytics. So you can click on view performance in Google Analytics, and it's going to take 48 hours to show updates if there is any. And that's how you basically connect Google Analytics to your Shopify store. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.